Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi. I'm completely blind so I don't look directly at you, but I promise I'm right here with you. So in today's video I'm gonna unbox only one perfume, and that will be Tiramisu Speculous by the Ministry of Gourmands. And the reason why I am doing only one today, guys, is because I am planning a video for November on where I'm ranking my Ministry of Gourmands perfumes. And I thought, you know, this perfume is lying here unopened and I really would want to include it in the ranking of my Ministry of Gourmands perfumes. So that's why I only have one here for you today. Okay, but without further ado, let's open this up and let's smell it. So I really wanted this for such a long time. This has been a 2024 release and I just couldn't find it. And finally, on Viral Vault here in South Africa, I finally found it. So you can see the box. Here's the bottle. Interesting bottle. Very plasticky cap. Okay, glass underneath, but on top it's very plasticky. So what I'm expecting is a very dessert-like, sweet, baked dessert sort of smell. So let's see. Oh, I like what I smell from here. I really like what I smell from here. This is beautiful. Okay, how to describe this? First up, what I get is cinnamon, but it is the sort of cinnamon smell that you will get in when you have pancakes with your sweet cinnamon sugar in there. That is the cinnamon. It's not a harsh or, you know, it's a sweet cinnamon. Underneath that is something that truly smell almost like pancakes, but perhaps more caramel. It is very sweet. It smells like a tiramisu. It smells cinnamony, baked pancakes. Yo, my mouth is watering. But there's something else. Like I say, it's pancakes with cinnamon, but as if you would have drizzled a bit of caramel over there. That is what I'm getting. There's also something almost lemony in here. I don't think there's any lemon notes. It is truly a beautiful, oh, on skin. Guys, immediately that cinnamon, but the cinnamon is 100% not alone. From the start, the cinnamon is accompanied by something. It smells like, you know what it smells like? If you are from the Netherlands, you will know it well. Or from Germany, you call it stroopwafels. Like syrup waffles. It's not like a usual waffle, but it's this biscuity sort of cookie with syrup. That's what it smells like. But if you would have added some cinnamon to it, that is it. It's the stroopwafel in Afrikaans. You say it like that, and in Dutch. And I don't know, how can I describe a stroopwafel? It's a baked, doughy cookie with syrup inside. Syrup. Yeah, it's more syrup than caramel, come to think of it. Guys, I absolutely love it. I mean, you will, for sure, smell like a bakery if you wear this. So if you don't want to smell like a bakery, you're not going to like this. But if you don't mind smelling like a cookie, you will love it. Let's read the notes. So Tiramisu Speculoos by the Ministry of Gourmand, which is a line from Paris Corner, was launched in 2025. The main accords are warm, spicy, yes. Cinnamon, yes. Vanilla, yes. Cocoa, coffee, powdery, musky and sweet. I don't really get the cocoa. I must admit, I don't really get the cocoa. In the top, there's cinnamon and coffee. I don't get coffee. I really don't. In the heart, there's vanilla and cocoa, and in the base, there's musk. So, cocoa and coffee. Perhaps that is what gives it that baked, doughy feel. But I don't get that strongly. More, I would say more cocoa than coffee. This is very nice, guys. But once again, if you don't want to smell like a biscuit, if you don't want to smell like a cookie, if you don't want someone to ask, did someone bake pancakes around here? Then you want to stay clear of this one. So that is it for now. I will update you somewhere in November when I do the ranking on how this one performs and how I found it on skin and all those important things. Did you ever try this one? What do you think of it? I would love to know. I have nothing in my collection that smells like this, so I'm very excited for it. So yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me today, unusually on a Wednesday. And I will see you guys for the tray rotation on Friday. Bye for now.